What do you get someone who has everything? Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back, and thank you for supporting me. I'm Coretta. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made a ribbon rose bouquet for my grandmother's 90th birthday gift. Come on, y'all. Let's see how I did it. For this project, you will need 1.5-inch satin ribbon, single or double-sided, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, 3/16 wooden dowels, a lighter or heat ribbon cutter. I will leave a link to the items in the description box below. So here I am cutting the ribbon to make the petals. Here I'm using a hot ribbon cutter to cut the ribbon into 3.5-inch long strips. The hot ribbon cutter seals the end of the ribbon to keep it from fraying. If you are cutting the ribbon with scissors, you can use a lighter to seal the ends. Next, I am going to take a strip of the ribbon to make a petal. To make the petal, I am folding the end of the ribbon to form a triangle and then securing it with the hot glue. I'm going to do this on both sides. Once that is done, I am going to take the point of the triangle and fold it inward, securing it with hot glue, repeating this on both sides. I'm going to turn the petal over, fold it in half, and add a small dab of hot glue on the bottom tip of this petal. This will help form the curve on each petal. You would repeat these steps to create 15 petals per rose. For this project, I made 24 roses, so I made 360 petals. After completing the petals, I'm ready to connect them. Here, I've separated the petals into bundles of 15. I'm going to connect them. To connect them, I am placing hot glue on the right side of the petal and connecting another petal on the top, forming a curved chain. You want to do this until you have made enough for the number of roses you intend to make. So now I'm turning the chain of petals over so that I can connect them to a wooden dial. I'm going to add hot glue to the beginning of the chain, then place the dial in the hot glue. This will keep the dial from moving. While adding hot glue to a few petals at a time, I'm going to roll the petals around the dial. You don't want to roll the petals too tight or too loose. Again, you want to repeat this process for the number of roses you are making. For this project, I made 24 roses as a gift for my grandmother's 90th birthday. Here's how her gift turned out. Alright guys, that's all for now. I hope that you were able to follow along with my process. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.